Welcome back. Now the next step in setting up your project is to assign individuals to each task. So we're going to go back to the project page. We're going to go into our project, and then we're going to look at the individual to-do list, and then we're going to assign these to-dos to specific individuals. So when we click the date, all we need to do is to pick someone that we think is going to be able to complete the task, and then we place them in there. We do the same thing for each individual date. Those that we are assigning to us, we can place ourselves in there. As of right now, my concerns are twofold as an administrator. First are the things that have been assigned to me, and so I can click this Me link, and then I'll look at my open to-dos. And all of these are things that I will need to do in order to complete the tasks that have been assigned to me personally. Now the other concern is to make sure that the tasks are moving along in a way so that they will be completed on time. And so if I log in on a routine basis to Basecamp, what I can do is I can go to this progress bar, and I can see what has happened since the last time I may have personally been logged into Basecamp. Now, anytime someone actually has completed one of these to-dos, there will be progress on a particular day. Again, as an administrator, what I can do, if I sense that a project is falling behind, I can go into one of the tasks. I can reassign that person to a different task. I can reassign some of the other tasks depending on workload. And I can do that at any point in time in the project that is necessary for it to be. Now, depending on how the individuals have their notifications set up, they'll be getting emails telling them exactly what they have to do, and each of these tasks are going to be clickable back to the project. Now, obviously, the most time-consuming part to this is determining who needs to fill what task. But the actual act of going in and assigning individuals to this list of tasks and to-dos took about 15 minutes off camera. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.